Hello friends, 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer GTS. Today we're going to show you what code P0420, which is one of the most common codes that comes into this car, is about. P0420 is going to be catalytic converter efficiency below threshold. Okay, so the number one fix for that code is going to be replacing your catalytic converter. Okay, the catalytic converter is going to be this guy right here. Okay, you see it's got an oxygen sensor before, which is the one that commands the computer for the fuel-air ratio. This one right here. And then you got a second oxygen sensor for the emissions right here. So in order for you to fix that code, you're gonna have to replace the catalytic converter itself. All right, friends, if you have this car and you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I personally answer them for you, okay? Now, remember, we wanna keep on making these videos, helping you guys out, so hit that subscribe button and give us some like, and I'll see you guys next time.